Good morning, Daniel Medina. I just wanted to make a quick video here to the people that I've been interacting with in the last couple months who went to request. We did a tour on a home, and either we've been in conversation about some homes or we actually went and visited a home. For sure, taking a first step and starting some momentum in the direction of this goal or objective is super, super, super awesome and great. The first step is often the hardest. What I want to do is encourage you to continue to take steps forward in this process. For sure, working with me, asking questions, starting to assemble your team of people that are going to help you through this process, your lending team, your agent team, and then of course I have people along the way that will help as well. The idea is to keep taking steps forward, keep moving forward. Some people you're going to go faster than others, but you want to keep making traction forward. Hope that helps. Look forward to seeing you soon. Bye-bye.